hello guys. I'm gonna try and film this for the third time now. Because this game won't, I can't get this glitch to work. Okay. So I wanna jump over here. I'm gonna deload cans because it's annoying. I don't wanna listen to that song. Shut! I'm a purposefully deload forest. This game hates me. This game literally hates me.
Listen to me! Yeah? Listen, hey, Sunhat, no! Listen, I'm gonna tell you a secret. Come here.
And like that happens, then you have to cut out the whole thing. Jump over here. I'm doing this just so Case will shut up. What? Huh? Jump down here. I can load in city and deload forest. See, now city's the only thing loaded. All right. Okay. Now I clipped in. God, why is this so bright? What the heck? Oh, let's go. All right, I made it this what the? Is this like the shine? Is this the shine? What the hell? All right. This looks scarier. This is scarier than it looks. Hold on, I want to see if I could like, jump for the glass. Nope, I do not think. Wait, I can go over here. Now that is very much not possible. Okay, get to the firework launcher. Inside out pull. You're rooting for me, right? What am I saying? I want to shoot the firework launcher first. If I shoot it, then I'll go for it. Bro! Yes! Okay. Oh! No! Dang it, that barely lasted. I'll do it one more time. I've also realized why YouTubers talk so much during their videos. They're making a video about gorilla tag. This game makes you breathe real hard, so. They talk a lot to cover up that breathing. Now the part where I join a public server.
Just come in cave. Why be in mines when you can be in forest?
My hands are broken. I freaking magic.
Oh my gosh, someone's in forest. There's multiple people in caves. What is this public lobby?
I'll give you all a Doug. You know, people in mines.
Look, it's forest.
I'll give
Okay.
you Doug.
If you wanna maybe have a chance of seeing me on the firework launchers, join this code TreeG. I only join the code TreeG if I'm doing the funny. If I'm doing this. Oh shoot! I hit the ceiling fan. Oh, there we go. Now I jump over here. Jump next to that. Deload canyons. Doug, what are you doing? No! Doug! He fell. He fell off. Now here's the fun part. Climbing up the stairs. I don't like this part because of how sloped it is. Like it's at an angle, and there's a very high chance that you could just accidentally walk straight. Whoa! Walk straight at some point. You just eat too much, and you get stuck in the wall too far to the point where you just have to pull yourself in. If I can get this one more time and like get in front of the glass. What the heck? Alright, if I can do this one more time and get in front of the glass, I'll try and do it in a public lobby. I will most likely fail though. That freaking thing right there. A little tip. Yes.
Murdered.
Come back here.
I'm gonna
Get down in the crevice.
spaghetti up your butthole, and then I'm gonna
Okay,
upload it.
blue. Blue.
Angles.
Well,
It's just not even gonna look at the
It's
window.
the wall. We need to
This
get
isn't
tagged.
bad.
What the?
It's the wall, like,
If I was
right
in
here.
it, you would have
Like, right
been
in that corner.
tagged 20 times.
The guy in the
How do I? Okay.
Okay, there we go.
You're tagged.
Rejoin the code. Okay. Yep. Okay. To the firework launchers. If I can make it in front of the glass, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna attempt and like practice with casual monkey. Actually, I'll do that off camera. I'll probably do the public lobbies part in a separate video. I don't know if, yeah. I've also tested. The rocket still does not have collision yet. I haven't seen that thing go off in a while either. Remember, like, every time I joined the game, I'd hear a vibration. That'd be the rocket going off. And it's every time I join the game, too. Why do I taste Pop-Tarts right now? Okay. It's like that one, right there. That's the one I go for. Shoot it for good luck. Go! Okay. Made it. Made it. No! I missed it! Fine, I'll do it. We'll see. Yeah, I'll do it in a public lobby, why not? No, I'll do that in a separate video. I'm not doing that. The next one. No.